Hello everyone, Nishant here from learnqaskill. This is the third video in the Java series. In the previous video, we have discussed about what are the identifiers and rules to write an identifiers. If you have not watched that video, I will be giving the link below in the description. So you can watch that video as well. So today is the part 3. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the reserved words and what are the different reserved words are there in Java. So there are total 53 words are reserved in Java. So the reserved words are categorized into two categories. One is a keyword and another word is a reserved literals. So keywords are 50 and reserved literals are 3. So what are the keywords now? If reserved words associated with any functionality, that is called keywords. If the reserved words only represent the value and it is not associated with any functionality, that we call it as a literals. So keywords are 50 and reserved literals are 3. So again the keywords are categorized into two categories, used keyword and unused keyword. So used keyword are used by the Java and unused keywords are those keywords are reserved but not used by Java. So used keyword are 48 and unused keyword are 2. So inside the unused keyword we have goto and const. And in the reserved literals we have true, false and null. So true and false are the boolean values and null is a default value for object reference. So these are the categorization of reserved words. Now we will see the reserved words in Java. So total 53 reserved words are there in Java. So we will see what are those 53 reserved words. For data type 8 reserved words in Java, those are byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean and character, char type. For flow controls, 11 reserved words are there. Those are if, else, switch, case, default, while, do, for, break, continue and return. So these are related to flow controls. For modifiers also 11 reserved words are there in Java. Those are public, private, protected, static, final, abstract, synchronized, native, strict FFP, transient and volatile. For exception handling related, 6 keywords are reserved in Java. And those are try, catch, finally, throw, throws and assert. Class related also 6 keywords are reserved in Java. Those are class, interface, extends, implements, package and import. Object related 4 reserved words in Java. New, instance of, super and this. Return type related also one keyword is reserved in Java, that is void. And these two are unused keyword. Those are reserved in Java but not used by Java. Those are goto and const. And for reserved literals, 3 reserved words are there, true, false and null. And for enum as well, one reserved word is there, that is enum. So these are the total 53 reserved words in Java.